You can't hear shit over mine.
No, definitely not.
All right, so what'd you do to it since last time?
Foreign 175, 130 injectors, liquid wheel in the turbo, and then the trans has been semi-built, studded, deleted. It's got a custom tune by. And then I just put wheel spacers, different wheels, and another one.
Oh yeah, stick out a little bit. I mean, not as much as mine, but
I just cleaned this truck about
yeah,
probably 10 minutes ago.
well, that's what happens with wheel spacers.
Or 20 minutes before I got to Walmart, so probably 30 minutes.
What's the spec on those? 1.5.
Yeah.
That's not too bad. I'm running 2 2-inches in the back and 1 2-inch in the front.
Yeah. I have 2 inches.
So the axle dump, I love it. 8-inch tip.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like mine, but I have a 5-inch.
Yeah, it's got a 4-inch MBRP turbo back.
Sweet. So the right way. So dually conversion coming soon, or?
I hope so.
Come on, look at the meat.
Trust me, I know. I want to so bad.
I want to do 37s.
The price of Powerstroke and dually, I was like, I found a setup online.
The beds, I think, the bed and the axe are the expensive part.
Yeah, but these are just add-on flares that you put on, basically rivet them on.
Oh boy.
Cut out, rivet them on, and then do body work and screw them in, which I was thinking about.
So,
okay.
So yeah, we were out there. I had it in 4th gear, just letting it eat the whole time. It was a good time. And then I had the head gasket scare. I was like, okay,
really?
the head gasket's fine, but the coolant hoses were a little hard, and I started pissing coolant, and it's just a leak. No worries. I was a little worried. It's just a leak.
That's what I thought about this.
40 pounds of boost. Yeah, 40 pounds of boost on a stock 12 valve is all right. No head studs.
Yeah, it's like 740 on this.
So I got Liam with me. I told him he was gonna love this thing. 4-inch looks so dinky though.
It really does, but the thing is, the clearance up there at the front for 5-inch.
I'd do a 5-inch the whole way back.
The 4-inch has this much clearance in front coming down.
Yeah, the downpipes.
I would have to literally do custom hammer fit to get it to go. And
that's how I fit my downpipe. I smashed the fuck out of it.
I never want to do that. I've done it on other shit, it's not this. Good God. I know the camera's not going to do it justice on that. Yeah, I know the camera's not going to do it justice on that, but that thing is insane. When I was in it before he did all the tuning and stuff to it, it had some balls to it, and now he went through and put at least a couple $1,000s into it since I've seen it, so... I like the LEDs. See, I have these on mine too. Do you? Oh yeah, you do.
Yeah, hell yeah. Oh, I see shiny parts.
What shiny parts?
Just an intake, don't worry, it's completely 50 state emissions compliant.
Yeah, there's a catalytic converter.
Hell yeah, there is. It's in the bed, but it's there.
That's at the scrapyard.
Oh yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, you really can't see anything under here.
No, it's... Man,
I'd hate to work on this thing on the side of the road.
You just don't.
You don't? Oh yeah.
No. That's not because it doesn't break, you just don't.
Because it probably breaks.
It does.
Gnarly. Yeah, you really can't see much. You wouldn't be able to tell. What tune you got it on?
It's called Wild Style.
Highest tune there is?
It's the highest one.
Did you do fire rings?
Yep, fire ring.
Sweet, okay.
I had him do everything. And when
I was gonna say, there was a guy I pulled for, I think he was out in Washington at somewhere, and he said he didn't do the fire rings the first time, and he still spent the thousands of dollars to do it, and he still blew the head gasket.
Yeah, no, I got fire ringed everything. I had him torque it, and he did a little extra torque on the heads.
Oh yeah.
More power, so it doesn't lift as easy.
Oh yeah. I mean, once it starts, that's when we sell it.
Yeah.
Or we come and swap it.
Yeah. That's already been an option.
I'd like to see this turbo on like one of these. Oh my God. Fucking whistly.
Can you zip this up?
That's zipped up.
No, I mean put the button.
No, you don't need that. Here, let's put your there you go.
Hair's going everywhere.
There you go.
Wild.
Yeah, he is.
Then what do you think of the Powerstroke?
It's cool.
It's a Ford.
It's a Ford.
I like Cummins and Fords.
Good.
At least it's not a Duramax.
Yeah.
They're made of plastic engine bullshit. I'll take this. I like the 6.4, honestly. People don't know that. I like the 6.4.
I actually almost got a 6.4.
I hate that they melt themselves down, but they
exactly
sound so fucking nuts.
That's exactly why I didn't, because I heard about melting down. I'm like, oh, I'd rather
Well, look
take...
at Send It Steve. How many miles do you have on his? How much money is he throwing in it, too?
Well, yeah, that's a good question as well. I mean,
Fuck, if I blow a head gasket in this, it takes me 8 hours. Fucking take the head off and throw another one on it.
that ain't my case.
Well, that's one thing. So a lot of people give me shit about this thing. And the thing I like about this is no matter what happens to it, I can always get it fixed in the same day that it breaks. Always. I have to rely on it every day.
Yeah.
So it's like,
Yes.
I mean, a head gasket goes out, take it off in the morning, have a spare head sitting around, have the head on in the afternoon. I'm driving it out of the shop by the end of the day. Like, it's
not my case.
it's all that simple. No matter, nothing on this
You trying to make it jealous?
except an engine swap. It took me a weekend. It took 2 weekends to do this entire engine swap.
That's not really
So
hateful, though.
I don't care if it's not reliable. I just want it to be dependable and fixable really, really fast. It's not reliable because I'm pushing 40 pounds of fucking boost.
This isn't
No grid heater
This is
on for
reliable.
cold starts. Highest
no grid
tune
heater.
effort. Yeah, I don't have a
Really?
grid heater. Yeah.
No.
Liam, that's probably not good for you. You think you could do some drifts here without hitting the dumpster? I mean, I can do it. Come on, if I can control this big fat... You know, if I get pulled over, like, you're wider than you're supposed to be. I'm over the legal limit. I'm 9 feet wide.
Yeah, I guess you are.
9 feet wide. That's what
I
happened.
got pulled over twice with this setup. I just paid the fine and kept going.
Yeah, well, when your fines turn out to be like over $2,000 for one fucking pullover incident, whoops.
Well,
It wasn't just the tires.
That might make me change something, but
Daddy, what are we doing?
I did for a while, and then I was like, you know what, $2,000, I'm like, eh.
we're just doing it.
Can we,
Yeah.
can we do some donuts?
Yeah, he's gonna do some donuts. Don't hit the dumpster. Yeah. His truck matches the dumpster. Yeah! Oh man. That thing is insane. I kind of want to go for a ride along in it. See, now what you got to do is here, I'll go sit in the bed quick. I wish I could have filmed it, but nobody seems to like snow drifting on my channel. Oh wow, that's brutal.
You see how easy at like
Them bald tires.
that plus the throttle on this thing, like you gotta touch it.
Oh my god, like you can, like mine's responsive, don't get me wrong, but the torque, this thing has way more power than that 12. Mine probably makes 300 horsepower. Jesus, it doesn't take much to just start making noises. Yeah, that would get annoying pulling all day. Like that's what I want back, and then I'd be like, oh fuck, that's too loud. It's smooth for what it is.
Yeah, I mean, it's slow enough. It really.
You Oh my god. Wow. Jesus, you can feel that built tranny.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I mean, you're not setting world records, but it ain't slow by any means. was gonna say. Yeah, I need some too, honestly, but damn.
It hunts for traction a lot. Just
Yeah. Holy hell. Sounds like a whale fart.
It does.
It's a good sound. I don't know.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully he doesn't take off till I get in. You motherfucker. All right. Oh God, here we go. Holding on for dear life. Yo, the GoPro fucking soaked the GoPro. When you went this way. All right, I'm jumping out. Don't do anything. Fucking. That bitch goes for a while. Oh my God. It's still shutting down. That was brutal. I am soaked. GoPros. All right, so how's your high idle work?
A wire goes from the switch to the PTO wire, from the PTO wire here, and just grounded it. All you do is turn one of the marker light or headlight on, put the e-brake on, and then we wait.
Good God. Good God, that is insane. Get in the truck. That is insane. I love the sound of that thing. That fucking rev limiter. Yeah, you can feel the built tranny in this.
I don't like it beating rev limiter like that. I'm changing my shift
That
point.
sounds gnarly though.
I know, but that's not good at all.
What's it rev limited at?
42.
42. Oh wow. You
Yeah,
turning it down?
No, I'm turning my shift point.
No, turn the rev limiter down. No, you're not beating on 4200.
The rev limiter's fine. That's why I changed the shift point for.
I love that rev limiter.
Oh my.
I love it. It's gnarly.
It's the worst I've ever beat on this truck since I owned it, and I like it.
Yeah, but now
I gotta not get in the habit of it. That's the problem.
I know, because if I had a 6.0, yeah, if I had a 6.0 or a 6.4, I would never not beat the shit out of it, and then I'd go broke.
That's what I don't want to do.
See, now that you've got it all figured out, now we take that turbo and we fucking Cummins swap this.
And then give you all this.
No.
Oh no, you don't want all this?
No. Look at this guy.
Yeah, he's got quad Terpskis.
Oh man, you see that front axle shake when he fucking hit it.
I did like stop. What was it?
Somebody's got some ball joints they need replaced.
Somebody's got to strengthen the wall of that trailer. That thing's doing this over the bumps.
That is so loud. My God. I can't get over that. And that's pretty much gonna do it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. No, I'm not buying one.
He is. I convinced him.
I'll get a 6.4. I'll get one that wants to melt itself down.
I can
But
What's this do if you want?
what?
I can
You got the
put it back
piston
down.
melting tune.
Yeah.
I like it, but I don't know. Hey, if you can work on it, more power to you. It's always nice when you don't have to pay somebody to do it. But all in all, I like it. I have nothing bad to say about it.
You have anything to say?
No. Buy one.
It's definitely faster than mine. Let's just put it that way.
We'll see. It took us, what, 10 months to do this video. 10 or 11, something like that.
Yeah.
Let's schedule a tug of war next winter.
I'm down.
After he does his dually conversion.
That would be nice.
Comment below if he should do a dually conversion. I think it would look good as a dually.
Right.
So unplug the VGT.
Yeah, Cummins swap.
There you go.
No money
That's
spent.
probably laggy and smoky as hell. I'm gonna plug it back in.
That's insane.